Hello and good morning. It's a little cold out here in Texas right now, but today's tutorial is going to be over. And I know Thanksgiving hasn't happened yet, and I am one of those people who feels like probably should wait to put your Christmas lights up until after Thanksgiving happened, or at least wait until the end of the month of November to put up anything Christmas related. But with that being said, I know I sound like a hypocrite probably, I'm sure when I say this, but from a retail standpoint, it is appropriate to put up and put out Christmas stuff or start going ahead to make your Christmas stuff for your Christmas craft shows that are coming up or trade shows that are coming up. And in my case, I'm actually prepping for making Christmas stuff for the trade show that's coming up on the 23rd to the 23rd to the 24th of November here in Liberty, Texas at the For Real Trade Days. And I apologize if y'all can hear the train outside. We live really close to the track. But today we're going to be making tags. Yay! So anyway, we're going to be using a Fiskars. I think I pronounced that right. Fiskars? Yeah, the orange handle scissors. We're going to be using the Fiskars Tag Punch. And I'm going to show you the paper pads that I use. So that way, if you want to get those particular ones, you can. So I've already went ahead and made a few of them from a couple of different paper pads. And I used, and I got both of these from Hobby Lobby. Actually, I got this one last year from Hobby Lobby, but it's still there. I got the small one, and it's the Old Winter 6x6 paper pad. And I'll show you how you can get 4 tags out of one page. And then I'm using the Winter Wonderland, which I also got from Hobby Lobby, which I think they still should have it there. I'm not sure because before I moved back down to Texas, I got these from the Hobby Lobby out in California. I'm thinking it should be the same thing across every Hobby Lobby because it's a chain store, but you never know. So if you would like to find those are definitely there. And so this is just a quick tutorial. I pulled one page from each section out of the Old Winter collection, because you get 4 pages of the same design. So you'll get this one, this one, this one. I'm not sure the light is hitting that right. You'll also get this one. Let's see. I don't know if the light is hitting it right so that y'all can see. I'm taking this one as well. Of course, plaid. Plaid is always a good one. Bells with holly. This one I thought was cute. Music sheet. This one actually says Merry Christmas on it. Stockings. Polka dots, snowflakes, another kind of old school Christmas page, and the holly leaves, or mistletoe. I think it's holly though. I'm not sure. Somebody down in the comments, let me know. So you're able to make, if you cut it correctly, and if you don't mind them coming out in different directions, you'll be able to get 4 out of each sheet, like I was saying. If you cut it, I'll show you how. And then also from the Winter Wonderland, I pulled out this one, this red kind of plaid looking one, snowman. Maybe if I back up, Santa Claus. I thought it would be so cute to make tags with him. Regular green plaid, Christmas trees, the letters to Santa from all the little kids across the world, more Santa and snowmen, snowflakes, and one that has Noel, rejoice, the 25th of December, peace, just different little sayings on it. And I'm going to take these and I'm going to start clipping them too. I'm not sure how many tags you can get out of that one sheet, but we'll try. So what I like to do, and you can go ahead, get your punch, your tag punch, and they have different types of tag punches too. I just grabbed this one because I just genuinely like the shape. It does come with the eyelet setter on it. I really don't use them because it comes out right. Don't get me wrong, it comes out right, and it does make your cards look a lot more professional or store bought. But I'm out here in the country. I figured a little bit of twine, because everybody likes twine out here, strung through it, it'll do what it needs to do to get the job done. So yeah, little twine, and I guess I shouldn't show you the back. And there you go. It's still same effect, but if you want to, the eyelets, you get 50 eyelets that come with the punch when you buy it. I got mine for Joann's. Use the coupon, or else you can wait until they go on sale. They're about to have a really good sale toward the end of November. Of course, their Black Friday sale and everything like that. But I'll be at my trade show on Black Friday, so I won't be able to partake into that one. But that's okay. I'm pretty sure they'll have like a New Year's sale. So anyway, so what I like to do is I like to have it so that the punch is facing me, so that way I can line up my paper correctly. So I like to do it like this so that I can see. And then I just go ahead, squeeze the punch, and voila. Oh, sorry. And voila, you have one. So as I was saying, you can get 4 out of this one sheet, as long as you don't care that they're gonna come out differently patterned. And by that I mean, on like with this particular set that I did, with this one, with my first punch, Santa Claus came out walking upright. With this one, he was walking sideways. With this one, he was walking another way, and with this one, he was walking upside down. But I was able to get 4 tags out of one sheet of 6x6 paper. Now, if you want them to walk all the same way, then you'll probably only get about maybe 2 tags out of each page. And I don't know about you, but I don't really like to waste too much of my paper or anything like that, unless of course you're like me and you have like a super stash, then you don't really feel too bad about doing it. But still, because your money bought that for you, I would think you wouldn't want to waste it. Now with this particular pattern paper, it kind of really doesn't matter that you're clipping it in different ways, because it still shows nicely. So I'll show you my sheet and how I did it. So as you can see, I clipped one sideways, one going up, just kind of turn around, clip another one going up, and another one sideways. So you're gonna have one going up, one going down, one going to the right, and one going to the left. And it might be backwards because I'm showing this on the computer. I'm still trying to figure that out. So yes, you can get 4 tags out of one sheet. And then there you go. So you're not really wasting. And then the other good thing about this punch is that it has the little puncher, the hole punch, so you don't have to buy a whole nother punch to it to do your holes, or worry about having to line them up. All you have to do is right here in the front, stick them in like so, and then punch, and you have 2 neatly identically I know that's not a word, identical holes, and there you go. So it's easy as that. And so that's pretty much the tutorial, unless y'all want to see me string one on there. Let's see. I'm not sure about how much string or twine that you would want to use, but just kind of play around with it. Thread it on like so. Okay, maybe a little bit longer piece than what I just used. Uh-oh. Boop. Oh no. Okay, maybe twine isn't the best thing, but if you have like brown yarn or something, or maybe this short piece that I just used is not the best thing. Uh, let's cut a slightly longer piece and try that again. Okay, that might work a little bit better. But it's however long you want your string to be. And if you even want to sell them with string, I would think selling them with string would, do a little better, because then they could just tape it down. There you go. Ta-da! So yeah, I might do it a little bit longer than that because I don't like how short that looks. But like I said, you can do it with the eyelets. You get 50 eyelets with the punch when you buy it. So you'll have those. Or you can just do it like this and not use these unless you're using them for yourself. Or if you can find more of the eyelets to buy so you can punch them in there, because it does look really well. It does look more professional. It will, like you store-bought them instead of handmade them. But nobody has, nobody will be the wiser. You handmade them. So other than that, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any ideas or where I might could find more eyelets, because I found some on Amazon and they only give you a 50 pack as well. I was looking for one where maybe it came with like at least 100 or so in it, because I do like the way those look. But right now I'm running out of time to get those ordered into me, because I do have several other projects that I'm trying to do as well for the trade show, because it is Black Friday and it's going to be a lot of people out there. So I have to be ready and on my A game. So hope y'all all have a blessed Friday and a blessed weekend, and stay warm if you're in Texas or anywhere else that's cold. And I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.